Kasi sa Cebu eh, my God. A great example is sa Cebu. Noong pumunta ako sa Cebu, my God, kahit may pedestrian na sa Cebu, grabe pa rin yung tao, ay yung sasakyan magpaandar, halos akala nila walang tatawid. That's the reason why, although ang ganda nga ng Cebu, but ang dami namang bastos. You can't even follow as simple as traffic rules, and pinagmamalaki niyo pa that you are smarter than us. Diba? Even in Manila, you cannot even follow the bus carousel in your